after surgery, it's very important that me as a hand therapist, I see my patients post-operatively after 1 week. So they'll come into the office and they've had the plate and screws put in, their fracture, the break is realigned perfectly, it started some healing, and they're in the post-operative dressing. It's typically a post-operative half cast where there's some casting material. Remove all of that, throw it in the garbage, and talk to patients about washing with soap and water, antibiotic ointment. If there's, there's some details that are very important to go over regarding the wound care, swelling, continuous elevation. If the hand is down by the side and swinging, and that centripetal force will just throw a lot of swelling in there and cause movement to be very, very difficult and actually increase pain. So when up and active, keeping the elbow bent, or just laying it on the chest, we'll keep it above the heart. When seated, watching TV or just relaxing, stack up some bed pillows on the armrest and have the hand above your heart. I usually tell my patients at night, just wear that custom orthosis that I fabricated for you. Your whole body is horizontal, so it's not terribly important to have it elevated at night when you're sleeping.